Today we're going to make a Asian inspired vegetarian bowl. We're making Teriyaki Mushroom Bowl. Let's see how it's done. We're going to start by preparing our sauce. Everything is going to happen on low flame. So let's begin. So to my pot, I'm going to add in water. Add 2 tablespoons of water along with 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery powder. The heat is required only until the jaggery melts. I have 1 tablespoon of dark honey here along with 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of minced ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it up, and now we are going to thicken this with a cornstarch slurry. To 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well and add this directly to the sauce. We're going to cook this till the sauce thickens properly. The sauce has started boiling, it has thickened as well. I'm going to switch off the flame. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to finish off the sauce. This will bring in so much of flavor. Mix it together and our teriyaki sauce is ready. We're going to serve the teriyaki bowl on a bed of corn fried rice. So I'm going to start preparing that now. I have a very wide pan over here which has been heating for a while. To this I'm going to add in oil, starting with 2 teaspoons of oil, half an onion which is chopped, along with half a teaspoon of garlic and half teaspoon of ginger. Adding in some garlic chives, about 1 tablespoon, 1/4 cup of fresh corn. You could also use frozen corn over here. Adding in 1.5 cup of day-old rice. Keep tossing it around. Salt to season this, along with a pinch of black pepper. The rice has heated up completely. This smells so amazing right now. Our corn fried rice is ready. Let's start making the stir-fry veggies. Adding in 2 teaspoons of oil to a very hot pan, half a teaspoon of minced ginger and garlic. As soon as it's aromatic, I'll add in broccoli. As soon as the broccoli hits the hot pan, it changes its color and becomes super vibrant. Check the stalk. It looks a little opaque right now. As soon as it's translucent, it will be ready. Now to this, I'm adding in oyster mushrooms, 3/4 cup. The mushrooms will leave out a lot of water. Oyster mushrooms add an interesting texture to the dish, but if you can't find them, you can also use button mushrooms. The higher the heat, the higher the amount of charring you will get on the veggies, and the flavor will be better that way. Once there's a good amount of charring on the vegetables, add in 2 tablespoons of the prepared teriyaki sauce. You can add more or less as per your choice. Our vegetables are ready. Let's place them on our bed of rice. So this was my version of mushroom teriyaki bowl. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.